This is Libby, and I'm going to be talking about enzymes today. Enzymes increase the speed of reactions. They are often called biological catalysts. The active site of an enzyme is very important. The active site, its role is, first of all, it's to catalyze or speed up a reaction. The reacting chemical is called the substrate, and this must bind to the enzyme's active site. The active site will only fit specific substrates. Lock and key. So the active site is like a lock and the substrate is like a key. In the same way, there is usually only one enzyme for every substrate, or one key for every lock. So as we've just learned, we know that to catalyze or speed up a reaction, the reacting chemical is called a substrate, and this must bind to the enzyme's active site. So let's just go a little bit further with this lock and key model and think about it some more. So we know that the active site is like a lock and the substrate is like a key. So every substrate is different and will be only specific for a specific lock. Only this key can unlock that lock. And so the substrates can only bind to one active site in the same way. And their role is to speed up reactions in the body. Otherwise, these reactions would happen too slowly for us to survive. So if we were to label a diagram showing the enzyme action, the enzyme has its active site, which a substrate fits perfectly to, and the substrate is the reacting chemical. Then, once the substrate has bound, it forms an enzyme-substrate complex. The enzyme then undergoes a change, and the substrates are converted into the products of the reaction. And the enzyme has now done its job and can go on to do the same with more of the same type of substrate. So just to remember that enzymes are called biological catalysts, and this explains why they increase the speed of reactions. So that's everything I'm going to be discussing today. As I said, it's a very short episode, but hopefully a good introduction into enzymes and how they function. Thank you for listening.